Gretchen caught a snake. She caught a snake. Uh-oh. Good job, Gretchen. You weren't even playing with it right then. You want it back? There you go. You want it? There it is. You like it, Lazo? All right, Lazo. Lazo, honey, can you say thank you to your Nana? Can you say thank you to your Nana? Say thank you, Nana. Hi, Nana. Hi, Nana. Hi. Thank you for my horsey. And the snake for Gretchen. She loves it. Say bye-bye, Nuna. Say bye-bye, Nuna. Bye-bye, Lazo's Nuna. Thank you. Thank you, Nuna, Nuno. Eh? Say bye-bye, Laszlo. Say bye-bye, Nuna. Bye-bye, Nuno. Okay. Laszlo. Okay. Thank you, Nuna, Nuno.